Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could help in healing the scars of war and paving the path towards peace? The potential of AI in post-conflict reconstruction and peacebuilding is immense and largely untapped. Imagine a world where AI, with its remarkable ability to analyze vast amounts of data, aids in effective decision-making. It can sift through thousands of reports, images, and other data points, helping peacebuilders make informed decisions and prioritize their actions. Beyond this, AI can play a crucial role in identifying and predicting conflict zones. By analyzing patterns and indicators, it can alert us to potential hotspots before they erupt into violence, allowing us to intervene proactively. Moreover, AI can support recovery efforts. It can help in mapping out devastated areas, assessing damage, and planning reconstruction efforts in the most efficient manner. As we delve deeper into the topic, let's consider a real-world example of AI in action. Imagine a world where technology aids in rebuilding societies torn apart by conflict. We don't have to look far to see this vision becoming a reality. Let's take a moment to delve into a remarkable case study: the United Nations Development Programme's initiative in Iraq. Following years of conflict, Iraq faced the daunting task of rebuilding. The challenge was not just the physical reconstruction of buildings, but also the restoration of hope, life, and normalcy for its people. Enter artificial intelligence. The UNDP employed AI technology to analyze vast amounts of satellite imagery. The goal? To identify structures that were destroyed in the conflict. This task, which would have taken months, if not years, with a team of human analysts, was completed in a fraction of the time by AI. But the role of AI didn't stop at identification. The technology also helped prioritize reconstruction efforts. It assessed the level of damage and categorized buildings according to urgency of repair. This ensured that resources were allocated efficiently